everybody, we're here and we're going to do the story.
Hi.
Benjamin, Christopher,
Yo.
Bethany, Corinne. So we're going to do the story about a guy named Joseph. So we have a song to introduce our Bible story, and here it goes. Oh yeah. Woo! That is the sound effects story theme song. When I say Joseph, we're gonna cheer. When I say brothers, we're gonna say uh-oh. Let's do that one again. Brothers. Uh-oh. When I say dreams, we're gonna play a harp. Yeah. When I say God, we're gonna sing hallelujah. And finally, when I say the word food, we're gonna say that's a good one. Food. When in Genesis, everybody say Genesis.
Genesis.
We read a story about a guy named Joseph. He had 11 brothers. 10 older brothers. And 1 younger brother. His dad, Jacob, everybody say Jacob.
Jacob.
Loved Joseph more than all the others. And this made his brothers really jealous. And when Joseph, well, he told his brothers about some dreams he had where they were all bowing down and honoring him. Those brothers were outraged. Some of them wanted to kill him, but eventually they threw him a birthday party.
No.
Oops.
No, nobody did that.
My bad. They threw him down a well until they could sell him as a slave to Egypt. Those brothers were awful. But guess what? It was not those evil brothers that sent Joseph to Egypt.
What?
It was God. And Joseph, yay! Never stop believing that God change his sadness into dancing. Everywhere Joseph, where he went, God was with him. Even when he was thrown in prison for something he did not do, God was with him. And after being in prison for years, telling people what their dreams meant, Joseph was asked to go to the leader of Egypt because he had a dream no one could explain. It was a bad dream. 7 fat cows were eaten by 7 skinny cows. What? Did the leader of Egypt eat pizza before bed?
No.
Well, no. The dream was from God. And Joseph knew what it meant because God told him it meant there were going to be 7 years of great food. And then 7 years of none. What to do? The leader of Egypt knew what to do. He put Joseph in charge of all the food. Yeah. And it all happened the way God said. Joseph! Yay! Did an amazing job. And guess who showed up a few years into the big hunger deal? The President of the United States.
No.
What? No! That didn't exist back then.
My bad. His brothers.
Uh-oh.
Oh, no. They needed food for their families and their dad, Jacob. Those brothers did not even recognize Joseph. Yay! But he recognized them, and eventually Joseph told them, revealed his true identity, and a few of them probably went to Dairy Queen for ice cream sundaes.
No, that didn't exist back then either.
My bad. Fainted. Well, not sure, but probably. And they cried and hugged, and Joseph, forgave them, and they all moved to Egypt, even Jacob, who praised God for turning his sadness into dancing, 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 dancing. Oh yeah, there's some good dance moves right there. The end. Play it. And that is Sound Effects Story.